Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two odor eliminators. So here we have the Zero Odor Eliminator. This is a liquid, 32 fluid ounces. It's got a spray bottle. We're going to be spraying this into the air. This is the Amazon Basics Gel Odor Eliminator. This is fragrance free. Now you're going to take the seal off the top. There's what the gel looks like. Now eventually over time, that gel is going to shrink. And when it shrinks to the point of, see this replace line? When it shrinks down to there, it's time to replace it. So we can see this does, it has a little bit of a fragrance, but I don't smell the fragrance in the air. You just set this wherever you want in the room. So this room has had a little bit of an odor to it. I'm going to see how it does in this room. Now, if you want some instant odor relief, this one you can just spray in the air. I've got it on mist, and you can just spray and get that instant odor eliminator, or spray it on, say these carpets had some odor in it or something. Now this one's going to work over time. So if you want kind of a consistent odor eliminator, I think this one's going to do a really good job. I did spray earlier. I did spray a little bit. You can spray this onto a hard surface, and eventually that's going to evaporate. So if you want some quick odor removal, the Zero Odor Pro. If you want something to last over time, the Amazon Basics. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.